अस्सलामुअलैकुम व्यूअर्स, आप देख रहे हैं अनाविया पाक टीवी ड्रामा रिव्यू और हम आप सबसे एक अहम राय लेना चाहते हैं। हम अपनी वीडियोस इस वक्त इंग्लिश में बना रहे हैं, लेकिन हम ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आपको हमारा कंटेंट किस ज़बान में देखना ज़्यादा पसंद है। क्या आप चाहते हैं कि हम अपनी वीडियोस इंग्लिश में जारी रखें या फिर आप उर्दू में वीडियोस देखना पसंद करेंगे? व्यूअर्स, साथ ही हमें ये भी ज़रूर बताएं कि आप हमारी वीडियोस कहाँ से देख रहे हैं, कौन से शहर या मुल्क से आप हमें देखते हैं, ताकि हमें अपने व्यूअर्स के बारे में बेहतर अंदाज़ा हो सके। आपकी लोकेशन जानना हमारे लिए इसलिए भी ज़रूरी है ताकि हम आपके मुताबिक। अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट पसंद आ रहा है तो हमारे चैनल अनाविया पाक टीवी ड्रामा रिव्यू को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। In Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2, the story begins with a powerful and haunting tone that immediately captures the viewer's attention. The opening dialogue reflects a dark ideology where life and soul are treated as expendable, creating a disturbing yet thought-provoking atmosphere. The narrative introduces the concept of sacrifice in a twisted manner, where individuals are manipulated into believing that giving up their lives is a form of devotion. This sets the stage for a deeper exploration of extremism and psychological control. The background theme reinforces the idea that people are being influenced under false religious interpretations. The scene builds tension as it highlights how vulnerable minds are targeted. It becomes clear that the story is not just about action, but about the mental conditioning behind it. The intensity of the dialogues creates a strong emotional impact on the audience. The direction ensures that every word feels heavy and meaningful. This opening sequence establishes the central conflict of the drama. It prepares viewers for a journey into a complex and dangerous world. The tone remains serious and gripping throughout. The narrative promises a layered storyline. The use of symbolism adds depth to the scene. Overall, the beginning is both engaging and unsettling. It leaves the audience curious about what will unfold next. As the episode progresses, Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2 shifts focus towards the broader socio-political environment. The dialogue highlights how the world is perceived differently by believers and non-believers, emphasizing a sense of division and ideological conflict. This contrast is used to manipulate individuals into accepting extreme beliefs. The story cleverly portrays how such narratives are spread to create fear and confusion. The mention of Pakistan facing terrorism from multiple sides adds realism to the plot. It reflects real-world challenges while maintaining a fictional framework. The characters begin to emerge as part of this larger conflict. Jabbar Khan, played by Umar Alam, appears as a strong yet complex figure navigating this chaos. His presence adds weight to the storyline. The tension continues to build as the narrative explores hidden agendas. The dialogues remain impactful and thought-provoking. Each line contributes to the overall message. The direction keeps the pace steady and engaging. The atmosphere remains intense and serious. The viewer is drawn deeper into the story. The episode successfully establishes its theme. It keeps the audience invested in the unfolding events. The narrative further explores the concept of disguised extremism, where individuals operate under the cover of religion while pursuing violent agendas. Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2 effectively portrays how such groups manipulate religious identity for their own benefit. Zarqa, played by Momina Iqbal, begins to emerge as a character caught between emotions and reality. Her role adds an emotional layer to the otherwise intense storyline. The contrast between her innocence and the harsh environment around her is clearly visible. Meanwhile, Mullah Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussein, represents the ideological force behind these manipulations. His character is shown as influential and dangerous. The dialogues reveal how narratives are twisted to recruit individuals. The story highlights the importance of awareness and critical thinking. The tension continues to rise as more layers are revealed. The direction focuses on character development. Each scene adds depth to the plot. The performances feel realistic and impactful. The episode maintains a strong grip on the audience. The storytelling remains consistent and engaging. It successfully blends emotion with intensity. The viewer is left questioning the motives of each character. As the episode continues, Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2 deepens its narrative by exposing the hidden networks behind extremist activities and their calculated strategies. The story highlights how certain groups deliberately create chaos in regions like KPK and Balochistan to serve their own agendas. This element adds a realistic political dimension to the drama, making it more impactful and relatable. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, is shown observing these developments with a serious and determined mindset, indicating that he may play a crucial role in confronting these threats. At the same time, Zarqa, played by Momita Iqbal, finds herself emotionally affected by the circumstances around her as she begins to realize the harsh realities of the world she is living in. Mullah Zahirullah, played by Iqbal Hussein, continues to manipulate narratives, presenting violence as a justified cause, which makes his character even more dangerous. The dialogues in this part are sharp and thought-provoking, emphasizing how easily people can be misled. The direction ensures that every scene carries a sense of urgency and tension. The use of background music enhances the dramatic effect, making each moment more intense. The story also hints at the internal conflicts within these groups, showing that not everyone fully agrees with the ideology being spread. This adds complexity to the narrative. The pacing remains balanced, allowing viewers to fully absorb the information being presented. The visual storytelling supports the dialogues effectively. The episode continues to build suspense. The audience becomes more invested in the characters. The overall impact of this segment is strong and engaging. Moving forward, Jahannam Barasta Jannat, Episode 2, shifts its focus towards the emotional and psychological impact of extremism on families and individuals. The narrative highlights how innocent people are affected by the decisions of others, creating a ripple effect of pain and confusion. Zarqa, played by Momina Iqbal, becomes a central figure in this emotional exploration, as her expressions reflect fear, uncertainty, and inner conflict. Her character represents those who are caught in the middle of circumstances beyond their control. Meanwhile, Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, appears more determined to understand the truth behind these activities, suggesting that he may take action in the future. Mullah Zahirullah, played by Iqbal Hussein, continues to spread his ideology, influencing those around him with carefully crafted words. The dialogues in this section are emotionally charged, making the audience feel connected to the characters. The story emphasizes the importance of awareness and the dangers of blind belief. The direction focuses on close-up shots to capture the emotions of the characters. This adds depth to the storytelling. The background score complements the mood of the scenes. The narrative remains engaging and impactful. The tension continues to build gradually. The audience is left thinking about the consequences of such ideologies. This segment successfully blends emotion with realism. It keeps viewers deeply invested in the storyline. In this part of Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2, the story introduces more characters who play significant roles in shaping the narrative. Gopi, portrayed by Bushra Ansari, brings a unique perspective to the story, as her character reflects wisdom and experience. Her presence adds a sense of balance to the intense storyline. At the same time, the Raw Commander, played by Javed Sheikh, is introduced as a powerful figure representing external forces involved in the conflict. His character adds an international dimension to the drama, making the plot more complex and layered. The interactions between these characters reveal the larger network behind the chaos. Meanwhile, Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umair Alam, continues to observe and analyze the situation, indicating his importance in the upcoming events. Zarqa, played by Momina Iqbal, remains emotionally affected, adding depth to the narrative. The dialogues in this section are informative and engaging, providing insights into the bigger picture. The direction ensures that each character is given proper screen presence. The scenes are well structured and visually appealing. The background music enhances the tension. The pacing remains consistent. The story continues to unfold gradually. The audience becomes more curious about the connections between characters. This segment adds richness to the overall narrative. As the episode progresses further, Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2 intensifies its focus on power dynamics and hidden agendas within different groups. Babri Khan, portrayed by Sachal Afzal, and Salar Khan, played by Shamil Khan,
emerge as strong personalities with their own motives and strategies. Their presence adds a layer of unpredictability to the storyline, as their intentions are not entirely clear. Rashid Khan, portrayed by Ayub Kosa, is also introduced as a character who seems deeply involved in the unfolding events. His actions suggest that he holds important information that could change the course of the story. Meanwhile, Jabbar Khan, played by Umar Alam, appears more determined than ever, indicating that he may soon take a decisive step. Zarka, played by Momina Iqbal, continues to struggle emotionally, reflecting the human side of the narrative. The dialogues in this part are intense and meaningful, highlighting the conflicts between different characters. The direction focuses on building suspense through carefully crafted scenes. The background score adds to the tension. The story maintains its grip on the audience. Each scene feels important and impactful. The narrative becomes more complex. The viewer is drawn deeper into the drama. This segment successfully builds anticipation for what is to come.
In this segment of Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat Episode 2, the emotional and ideological conflicts reach a new level of intensity, making the storyline even more gripping. Gulbano, portrayed by Mizna Waqas, and Shahina Bibi, played by Saima Qureshi, are introduced as characters who bring depth to the family dynamics within the story. Their roles highlight how women are also affected by the larger conflicts, adding an emotional dimension to the narrative. The interactions between these characters reveal the personal struggles faced by families living in such circumstances. Meanwhile, Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, continues to stand as a central figure, observing the situation and preparing for what lies ahead. Zarka, played by Momina Iqbal, shows signs of emotional growth as she begins to understand the complexities around her. The dialogues in this section are powerful and relatable, making the audience connect with the characters. The direction ensures that each scene is visually engaging. The background music enhances the emotional impact. The pacing remains steady. The story continues to develop in a meaningful way. The audience becomes more invested in the characters. This segment adds emotional depth to the overall narrative. It keeps the viewers engaged and curious about the next developments. As Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat Episode 2 moves forward, the narrative becomes more layered as hidden truths begin to surface gradually. The story highlights how deeply rooted these extremist networks are and how carefully they operate behind the scenes. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, starts to show a stronger sense of responsibility as he becomes more aware of the dangerous reality surrounding him. His expressions reflect determination and a growing desire to confront the truth. Meanwhile, Zarka, played by Momina Iqbal, continues to experience emotional turmoil as she struggles to understand the shifting dynamics around her. Her character becomes more observant, indicating a subtle transformation. Mullah Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, remains a central figure in spreading ideological manipulation, influencing minds with calculated narratives. The dialogues in this part are intense and thought-provoking, revealing how misinformation is used as a powerful weapon. The direction focuses on creating a tense atmosphere where every scene feels significant. The background score adds depth to the storytelling, enhancing the emotional and dramatic impact. The pacing remains steady, allowing the audience to absorb every detail. The story continues to build suspense without rushing into conclusions. Each character appears to be moving toward a critical turning point. The viewer is drawn deeper into the complexity of the narrative. This segment successfully strengthens the storyline. In this part of Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat Episode 2, the focus shifts towards the internal conflicts faced by different characters as they deal with pressure from multiple sides. Jabbar Khan, played by Umar Alam, is shown struggling between his personal beliefs and the harsh realities unfolding around him. His character becomes more complex as he tries to make sense of the situation. Zarka, portrayed by Momina Iqbal, continues to reflect emotional vulnerability as her expressions reveal fear, confusion, and a desire for clarity. Meanwhile, Gopi, portrayed by Bushra Ansari, provides a voice of wisdom and experience, offering a different perspective on the ongoing events. Her character adds depth and balance to the narrative. The Raw Commander, portrayed by Javed Sheikh, is shown analyzing the situation strategically, indicating that external forces are also deeply involved. The dialogues in this section highlight the contrast between different viewpoints. The direction ensures that each character's emotions are clearly conveyed. The scenes are visually engaging and well-paced. The background music complements the tension. The story continues to evolve in a meaningful way. The audience remains fully engaged. This segment adds complexity to the narrative. It keeps viewers curious about the outcomes. As the episode progresses, Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2 intensifies its focus on the consequences of ideological manipulation and the damage it causes. Mullah Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, becomes even more dominant in this segment as his influence over others continues to grow. His character represents the danger of misusing religion for personal or political gain. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, begins to question the narratives being presented, showing signs of resistance and critical thinking. This adds an interesting layer to his character. Zarqa, portrayed by Momina Iqbal, is shown struggling emotionally as she witnesses the impact of these ideologies on people around her. Her reactions make the story more relatable. Meanwhile, Babrik Khan, portrayed by Sachal Afzal, and Salar Khan, portrayed by Shamil Khan, are seen engaging in discussions that hint at larger plans and strategies. Their roles add suspense and unpredictability to the storyline. The dialogues remain powerful and engaging. The direction focuses on building tension through well-crafted scenes. The background score enhances the dramatic effect. The pacing remains consistent. The story continues to develop strongly. The audience becomes more invested. This segment highlights the seriousness of the situation. In this segment of Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2, the narrative shifts towards the personal lives of the characters, showing how the larger conflict affects their everyday experiences. Rashid Khan, portrayed by Ayub Khosa, emerges as a character who appears deeply connected to the unfolding events. His actions suggest that he holds important knowledge that could influence the direction of the story. Meanwhile, Gul Bano, portrayed by Mizna Waqas, and Shahina Bibi, portrayed by Saima Qureshi, represent the emotional impact of these conflicts on families. Their interactions reflect chinta, fear, and helplessness, making the narrative more relatable. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, continues to observe the situation carefully, indicating that he is preparing for something significant. Zarqa, portrayed by Momina Iqbal, shows signs of emotional growth as she begins to understand the complexities around her. The dialogues in this section are emotional and impactful. The direction ensures that each scene is meaningful. The background music enhances the emotional tone. The pacing remains steady. The story continues to unfold gradually. The audience remains engaged. This segment adds emotional depth to the narrative. As Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2 continues, the storyline moves towards a more intense and suspenseful phase where multiple plot lines begin to intersect. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umair Alam, appears more determined than ever as he starts to take a more active role in understanding and confronting the situation. His character development becomes more evident in this segment. Zarqa, played by Momina Iqbal, continues to struggle emotionally but also shows signs of strength and resilience. Her journey adds a human element to the story. Mullah Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, remains a powerful antagonist whose influence continues to create chaos. Meanwhile, the Raw commander, played by Javed Sheikh, is shown making strategic decisions, indicating that larger forces are at play. Babrik Khan and Salar Khan continue to add tension with their mysterious actions. The dialogues remain sharp and meaningful. The direction focuses on maintaining suspense. The background score adds intensity to the scenes. The pacing remains balanced. The story continues to evolve. The audience is left anticipating the next developments. This segment successfully builds excitement. As Jahannam Barasta Jannat Episode 2 continues to unfold, the narrative becomes increasingly intense as multiple character arcs begin to intertwine in a more complex manner. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, appears to be moving closer to uncovering hidden truths, and his expressions reflect a mix of determination and chinta about what lies ahead. His journey is gradually transforming from observation to action, making his character more compelling. Meanwhile, Zarqa, portrayed by Momina Iqbal, continues to face emotional challenges, but there is a visible shift in her personality as she becomes more aware and strong. Her development adds emotional weight to the story. Mullah Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, continues to spread his ideology with calculated precision, influencing those who are vulnerable and confused. The narrative highlights how dangerous such manipulation can be. At the same time, Gopi, portrayed by Bushra Ansari, offers wisdom and emotional grounding, reminding viewers of the human side of the conflict. The Raw Commander, portrayed by Javed Sheikh, is seen analyzing the situation from a strategic perspective, indicating larger forces at play. The dialogues remain sharp and meaningful. The direction maintains a tense atmosphere. The background music enhances the dramatic impact. The pacing remains steady and engaging. The audience is drawn deeper into the storyline. This segment strengthens the narrative significantly. In this segment of Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat episode 2, the story explores the consequences of decisions made by different characters and how those choices begin to shape their future paths. Jabbar Khan, played by Umar Alam, starts to take more calculated steps, suggesting that he is preparing for a major confrontation. His character reflects inner strength and a growing sense of purpose. Zarkha, portrayed by Momina Iqbal, continues to deal with emotional conflicts, but her reactions now show a sense of maturity and understanding. She begins to question everything around her, which adds depth to her role. Meanwhile, Babrik Khan, played by Sachal Afzal, and Salar Khan, portrayed by Shamil Khan, are shown engaging in discussions that hint at upcoming events and hidden strategies. Their presence adds suspense to the narrative. Rashid Khan, portrayed by Ayub Khosa, appears to be closely observing the situation, suggesting that he may play a crucial role later. The dialogues remain impactful and engaging. The direction focuses on character interactions. The background score complements the tension. The pacing remains balanced. The story continues to build momentum. The audience becomes more invested. This segment adds intensity to the narrative.
As the episode progresses further, Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat episode 2 dives deeper into the psychological aspects of its characters, showing how fear, pressure, and ideology affect their decisions. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, is shown dealing with internal conflict as he tries to differentiate between right and wrong in a highly complex situation. His character development becomes more prominent in this segment. Zarka, played by Momina Iqbal, continues to evolve emotionally, showing signs of resilience despite the challenges she faces. Her journey remains one of the most relatable aspects of the story. Mullah Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, remains a powerful figure whose words continue to influence others, highlighting the danger of unchecked authority. Meanwhile, Gulbano, played by Mizno Waqas, and Shahina Bibi, portrayed by Saima Qureshi, bring emotional depth to the narrative through their interactions, reflecting the impact of the larger conflict on families. The dialogues are emotionally charged and meaningful. The direction captures subtle expressions effectively. The background music enhances the mood. The pacing remains consistent. The story continues to unfold gradually. The audience remains engaged. This segment adds psychological depth to the narrative.
In this part of Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat episode 2, the tension reaches a new level as different storylines begin to converge, creating a sense of urgency and anticipation. Jabbar Khan, played by Umair Alam, appears more focused and determined as he starts to connect the dots and understand the bigger picture. His character is now clearly moving towards action. Zarkha, portrayed by Momina Iqbal, continues to struggle emotionally, but also shows courage in facing the reality around her. Her growth adds strength to the narrative. Meanwhile, the Raw Commander, played by Javed Sheikh, is shown making strategic decisions, indicating that the situation is being monitored at a higher level. Babrik Khan and Salar Khan continue to operate with hidden motives, adding unpredictability to the storyline. Rashid Khan, portrayed by Ayub Khosa, remains a mysterious figure whose actions suggest deeper involvement. The dialogues are intense and engaging. The direction focuses on building suspense. The background score adds to the tension. The pacing remains steady. The story continues to evolve. The audience is left anticipating major developments. This segment successfully builds excitement. As Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat episode 2 approaches its later stages, the narrative becomes more gripping as the consequences of earlier events begin to unfold. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, appears ready to take decisive action, indicating that a turning point is near. His character reflects confidence and determination. Zarka, portrayed by Mumina Iqbal, shows emotional strength as she begins to accept the reality around her, marking significant growth in her character. Mulla Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, continues to play a central role in shaping the Ahdas, making him a formidable antagonist. Meanwhile, Gopi, portrayed by Bushra Ansari, provides emotional balance and insight, reminding viewers of the importance of humanity in difficult times. The Raw Commander, portrayed by Javed Sheikh, continues to monitor the situation strategically. The dialogues remain powerful and meaningful. The direction ensures that each scene carries weight. The background music enhances the dramatic impact. The pacing remains consistent. The story continues to build towards a climax. The audience remains fully engaged. This segment sets the stage for upcoming events.
As Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat episode 2 moves closer to its climax, the narrative becomes more intense and emotionally charged, bringing together various elements that have been building throughout the episode. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, appears fully prepared to take a stand against the forces operating in the shadows, showing a strong sense of purpose and courage. His character now reflects leadership and determination. Meanwhile, Zarka, portrayed by Mumina Iqbal, continues to evolve emotionally as she gains a clearer understanding of the reality around her. Her journey represents growth and awareness. Mulla Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, continues to influence events with his dangerous ideology, creating tension and conflict. The narrative highlights the consequences of blind faith and manipulation. At the same time, Babrik Khan, portrayed by Sachal Afzal, and Salar Khan, portrayed by Shamil Khan, are seen advancing their own agendas, adding complexity to the storyline. Rashid Khan, portrayed by Ayub Khosa, remains a key figure whose actions hint at deeper secrets. The dialogues remain impactful and meaningful. The direction maintains a tense atmosphere. The background score enhances the drama. The pacing remains steady. The story continues to build toward a critical point. The audience remains deeply engaged.
In this segment of Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat episode 2, the emotional stakes are raised as the characters begin to face the consequences of their actions and decisions. Jabbar Khan, played by Umar Alam, is shown confronting difficult truths, which adds depth to his character. His journey becomes more intense and personal. Zarka, portrayed by Momina Iqbal, continues to show emotional resilience as she navigates the challenges around her with growing strength. Her character becomes more inspiring. Meanwhile, Gul Bano, played by Mizna Waqas, and Shahina Bibi, portrayed by Saima Qureshi, reflect the emotional impact of these events on families, highlighting the human cost of conflict. Mulla Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, remains a dominant figure whose influence continues to shape the narrative. The dialogues are emotional and thought-provoking. The direction captures the intensity of each moment. The background music enhances the mood. The pacing remains balanced. The story continues to unfold in a meaningful way. The audience remains invested. This segment adds emotional weight to the narrative. As the episode progresses further, Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat episode 2 brings its characters closer to a turning point where major decisions are about to be made. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, appears ready to take decisive action, reflecting his transformation from an observer to a key player in the story. Zarka, played by Momina Iqbal, continues to grow emotionally, showing courage and understanding despite the challenges she faces. Mulla Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, continues to manipulate situations to his advantage, making him a formidable antagonist. Meanwhile, the Raw Commander, played by Javed Sheikh, is seen preparing strategies, indicating that the situation is reaching a critical stage. Babrik Khan and Salar Khan continue to add tension with their mysterious plans. The dialogues remain sharp and engaging. The direction maintains suspense. The background score adds intensity. The pacing remains steady. The story continues to build toward a climax. The audience is left anticipating major developments.
As Jahannam Ba Rasta Jannat episode 2 approaches its final moments, the tension reaches its peak, creating a gripping and unforgettable experience for the viewers. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umar Alam, stands as a symbol of resistance and determination, ready to face whatever comes next. Zarqa, played by Momina Iqbal, shows remarkable growth, reflecting strength and awareness. Mulla Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, continues to create challenges, maintaining the conflict. Meanwhile, Babrik Khan, played by Sachal Afzal, and Salar Khan, portrayed by Shamil Khan, remain unpredictable, adding suspense to the narrative. The dialogues are intense and impactful. The direction captures every emotion perfectly. The background score enhances the tension. The pacing remains steady. The story continues to build excitement. The audience remains fully engaged. This segment prepares the ground for the final conclusion. In the concluding build-up of Jahannam by Rasta Jannat episode 2, the narrative brings together all the elements that have been developed throughout the episode, creating a powerful and engaging experience. Jabbar Khan, portrayed by Umair Alam, appears ready to take on the challenges ahead, reflecting his growth and determination. Zarqa, played by Momina Iqbal, continues to show emotional strength and maturity. Mulla Zahirullah, portrayed by Iqbal Hussain, remains a strong antagonist, driving the conflict forward. Meanwhile, the Raw commander, played by Javed Sheikh, continues to monitor the situation strategically. The dialogues remain meaningful and impactful. The direction ensures that each scene is engaging. The background music enhances the emotional tone. The pacing remains consistent. The story moves toward its final conclusion. The audience remains invested. This segment sets the stage for the final paragraph.